Isa ang choux pastry or pâte choux gaya ng cream puffs and eclairs sa mga mahal na pastries kung bibilin mo siya sa isang pastry shop or cafe. Pero di mo ba alam na napakadali lang niyang gawin at mura pa ang mga ingredients? In a pan, combine 1/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup water, 1/4 cup butter, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Mix and wait for it to simmer. Dapat low heat lang siya. Once mag-simmer na, add half cup of all-purpose flour, mix until mag-thicken siya and magmukhang mashed potato na yung texture. Transfer it to a bowl and mix for 1 to 2 minutes para mag-release yung steam and medyo lumamig na yung dough. Then add 1 egg, mix until fully incorporated. Then add a second egg, mix ulit until fully combined. Then transfer the dough into a piping bag. Depende sa gusto nyong size, pipe nyo lang siya ng pa-ball shape for cream puffs and palag shape naman for eclairs. And make sure may parchment or silicone mat yung baking tray. Now dip your finger in water to smoothen and flatten yung mga pointed areas sa mga pipe cream puffs and eclairs. And in a preheated oven, bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. While waiting, gawin muna natin yung kanyang custard filling. In a pan, combine 1/2 cup of milk, 2 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of butter, a splash of vanilla, pinch of salt. Then turn the heat on low, mix continuously until mag-thicken yung custard. Turn off the heat, then add 1 tablespoon of cold butter. Mix then transfer it to a bowl. Optional na lang if you wanna add lemon zest and lemon juice, just to balance the richness ng custard. Then cover it with cling wrap. Dapat nakadikit yung cling wrap sa custard para di mag-form ng skin sa ibabaw habang pinapalamig. Pagtapos na mabake yung ating pâte choux, palamigin lang completely bago natin lagyan ng filling. Pag malamig na rin yung ating custard, transfer it into a piping bag. You can use a small round piping tip or gupitin na lang ng maliit yung dulo kung walang piping tip. Ito yung natira ko pang mascarpone cream na ginamit ko pa sa tiramisu. Check nyo na lang yung video kung paano ko siya ginawa. And actually, pwedeng whipping cream na lang ang gamitin. Lagyan nyo lang ng konting powdered sugar and vanilla, then transfer it to a piping bag. Nag-prepare na rin ako ng fresh strawberries and blueberries, yung ating custard and cream, dark chocolate ganache, and powdered sugar. Now, make a small hole sa ilalim ng cream puff, then start filling the inside with the custard. Then you can dip the top of your filled cream puff into the chocolate ganache. And same with the eclairs, pwede sa side or sa bottom mo ipipe yung custard. Then dip mo lang yung ibabaw ng eclair sa ganache. Another option is to slice your eclair in half, pipe the mascarpone cream in the center like so. Add sliced strawberries and other berries like blueberries, then dust with powdered sugar. Kung di ako nagkakamali, yung isang ganito sa Paul ay nasa 220 na. Ang mahal, diba? Kaya better talaga na ikaw na lang gumawa, madami ka pa makakain. Important lang na gumamit kayo ng quality ingredients para quality din at siguradong masarap ang magagawa niyong pâte choux. And by the way, yung custard pala, pwede nyo siyang gawa ng iba't ibang flavor by adding matcha powder, ube extract, melted chocolate, cocoa powder, etc. Para may variation kayo ng feeling na magagawa sa cream puffs and eclairs.